hello guys welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. Today I'll be dropping this video with respect to this Onyinyechi goodness question, which says, I have been trying to trade live, but each time I enter either long or short, it keeps telling me invalid, only orders please. How do I sort this out? Okay, so it is important for you to understand or to know that each time you place in your trade, you must make sure the volume you're using is accurate, because most of the times I've explained this leverage of a thing. Most of the time you see 10x at your leverage, and each time you try trading with a particular volume, maybe you come to that place and put like 5 or 50, it might not go straightly with this. So let me demonstrate what I'm trying to talk about so that you can fully understand it. Okay, so let's quickly dive into the Bybit. So here we are on Bybit. Okay, let's assume that we want to trade this we want to trade BTC. Okay, if you come to this very place, you must first decide, what do you want to trade? Is it long you want to trade, or you want to trade short? Okay, or you want to trade short? You must decide. All right, you must decide. So if you decide to trade long, that is fine, then you click on long. So coming to this very place, you can see here this limit must be set to market price. Do you know why? Because you want the trade to be executed immediately. But if you leave it on this limit, it will not execute immediately. It will have to step below the price you purchased or the price you join your trade before your trade will be what? Will be executed. Okay, so I do hope you are listening and you're watching carefully. So coming to this very place, you can see here, okay, you can see here, but sorry, do not forget, you must choose what? You must choose derivatives. Okay, you must choose what? You must choose derivatives and take a long shot or a short, any one of your choice. So coming to this place, you can see the leverage here is 10x. Okay, in this place you're gonna going to impute times 10 of what you wish to trade with, because of this what? This 10x. And I've made a video in the past that shows you how you can reduce this leverage or how you can increase this leverage by clicking on this arrow. Okay, first thing here, see, let's say you want to trade with 100 USD. If you want to trade with 100 USD, then you will have to use what? You will have to use 1000 USD. You know why? Because of this 10 leverage. I've made something like this before in the past. So goodness, watch carefully, and for any of us who has this nature of question in mind, watch carefully. Okay, so we have imputed 1000. Why? Because we are only trading with 100 USD with our capital. Okay, you can see the quantity here, you can see the 100 here. You know why it's 95? It is because a gas fee has been deducted. So you will come to this place to click on this box which shows TP and Excel. So in this place now, you're going to set your stop loss and your take profit. Okay, your stop loss, your take profit, let's say our take profit will be 98. Okay, then our stop profit will be what? Will be maybe 90. You know why? It's because we're taking long. But if you are taking shorts now, these two will be the opposite side. Okay, So you can now come to this very place to continue your long trade. Click on the long. If you click on the long, it will bring you to a particular place of this nature, where it will show you all your preview, and whatever you have done will be shown to you here. Okay, then the next thing you just need to do is to click on confirm, and your trade will be what? Will be fully executed. Then you start monitoring your trade from here. So in my next class, I'll be dropping a video that shows how do you track your profits, like how to track your profits while trading. Okay, so I do hope you really understand this very class, and if you do have any question again, please do not forget, drop it at the comment sections and I will attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.